Children hospitals across the country have a medical dog unit, but Rady Children's right here does not. CBS 8 and Rady Children's are working to make that happen. CBS 8's Abby Black visits the Children's Hospital Colorado to see the healing power there and to show you how those dogs have a huge impact on those young patients.
Golden Retriever Ralph Lauren,
we do call him Ralph or Ralphie,
was Children's Hospital Colorado's first MD.
At work he's called Dogtor Ralph or Ralph MD, and MD stands for Medical Dogtor.
He was a working canine who was integrated in young patients' treatment plans.
And while on the outside to others it may look like a dog laying in a bed or walking next to a child, we're helping them be motivated to take their first walks after surgery, or to help have a dog in the bed during a really hard conversation of a new diagnosis. We have a dog in our mental health institute.
The hospital launched their medical dog program in 2019 and now have 6 specially trained dogs that give pediatric patients the confidence to keep fighting.
I've watched patients' heart rates come down and level out by having interactions with a dog. I've watched patients begin to believe in themselves in their healing journey and feel motivated because they get to take Galaxy for a walk or because Galaxy's waiting for them at the end of the hallway.
Sarah Scott is a child life specialist and coordinates the canine program at Children's Hospital Colorado.
It often surprises people how expensive it can be because we want to set up this program to be in existence long term.
Rady Children's understands starting the program in San Diego will also come at a cost. CBS 8 and Rady Children's are working for kids and partnering to fundraise enough money to start its own program in San Diego with 3 professionally medically trained dogs. They will be paired with a child life specialist to work with and care for the dogs full time, and they need your help to sustain the program.
And this is not something that insurance will ever cover. Philanthropy needs to come in. Our community needs to rally around this to be able to make it happen.
Yes, good job.
The dogs will go through 2 years of extensive training to work in a hospital setting. They're like employees and will have their own badge and even get lunch breaks. Similar to Colorado, the professional canine therapy unit is funded entirely by donations.
Our program wouldn't exist without our donors, and so to have a program like this in a hospital requires buy-in and belief from the community around us.
The teams work in collaboration in all units of the hospital, including patients with limited mobility in the ICU.
Patients who have just received a heart transplant or a liver transplant or are limited in their ability to get out of a bed, we can have our dogs be a part of that process.
Dr. Kidd is also a yoga instructor.
It's amazing to see the ways that patients can respond if they're working on breath work and they can put their hand on Kit's stomach and feel her breathing to kind of help measure their own breathing.
Dr. Ralph Lauren retired in 2021, but his other pals in the medical dog program at Children's Hospital Colorado are still hard at work providing a unique healing power.
Dogs speak a language with kids that we as humans cannot speak, and they provide a level of support that we as humans cannot provide.
Working for kids, Abby Black, CBS 8.